Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make masala paratha. For masala paratha, I have taken one bowl of maida, and one bowl atta. Mix this nicely, both the atta and the maida. Put some salt, mix it well. Put some refined oil. This also mix it well. And now I will make the dough. Put water and make the dough. This way I will make the dough. This dough is ready. I will take little more oil and put it on top of the dough. Now my dough is ready here. Now I'll move it for 10 minutes aside. I have taken dhania powder, chili powder, jeera powder. All these I'm going to mix and make the masala paratha. So come on, let us make the paratha. My dough, you can see it's ready. Now I will make the balls. This way I will sprinkle some atta on the board. And make the balls. This way I will make the balls. The balls are ready. Now I am going to roll them and then use the masalas. This way I will roll all the parathas, all the chapatis over here. You can see round. First of all, this way I will roll it and keep it aside. This way. Now I will put the oil on these chapatis. This way I will put the oil. This way. Now I'll move this aside. Now I will use the masalas. First I will put some chili powder. Then I will put some dhania powder. Then I will put some jeera powder this way and fold it up this way. Just fold it this way. Fold it and keep it aside. I have made the squares this type to roll it and fry it. So come on, let us roll. This way I will roll all the parathas. I am making square parathas. New to my channel, if you like my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Now I will fry the parathas. Let's go. Now I'll put some oil. You can see the paratha, how nicely it's frying. This way I will fry all the parathas. See how nice it's looking. Now I'll take this out. Then I will put another paratha. This is how I will repeat the same process. Masala paratha is ready. Nice and hot. You can have it with anything. Mutton curry, chicken curry, any kind of vegetables, butter. With all this you can have it. Thank you for watching my video.